Here we have the Local 8 out in Houston, Texas. This is Farm Truck and Asian's new race that they added to the No Prep King series. And in this race, there's 8 small tire racers that are local to the area that race for $5,000 in a shootout. And the winner will go on to race a street outlaw. In this race, we're in the first round in Houston, Texas. And in the left lane, we have Luis Hidalgo, who's driving a small tire nitrous Camaro. Luis Hidalgo used to drive the Silver Bullet, which was a big tire car, and then he crashed that car and is now back out in small tire. In the right lane, we have Eric Stubbs. Eric Stubbs is a seasoned veteran in small tire and is racing a Mustang in the right lane, a beautiful car. And here we have the slow down run by run. Eric Stubbs gets loose in the right lane and crosses center. He hits into Luis Hidalgo, and Luis pops the chutes and loses control. He goes into the right lane where it looks like he's going to hit the wall. He makes a hard left and then steers it back right to avoid hitting Eric Stubbs again. And then it looks again like he's going straight for the wall, and then right at the last second, he takes a quick left and misses hitting the right wall again. Some great driving there. Everyone walked away okay from this crash. Unfortunately, there was a large amount of damage to the cars, but because of the safety equipment that they have in the cars, their roll bar, their helmet, their fire suit, their gloves, everything that they have, they were able to walk away from this safely. So just a reminder for you guys to make sure when you're building race cars to get all of the appropriate safety equipment, and you can check out our other safety videos.